All right, so look at this backyard setup. Outdoor kitchen, he's got a full seating area, the whole thing. And right above all that is this second floor deck. The homeowner wants to be able to use this space when it rains. And that's the whole conversation we're having. So, when you're thinking about what to put on that deck, wood is not going to work. Composite is not going to work either. And the reason is really simple. Both of these systems have gaps between the boards. That's just how the install is. Water's going to go right through that. That's fine when there's nothing underneath. But here, you've got a full outdoor living space sitting directly below. And every time it rains, everything down there is going to get wet. Fiberglass, though, doesn't have that problem because there are no seams. It's one continuous surface. So water hits it and it runs right off. Nothing gets through the space below. So that's where we come in. Framing was already done, so that's not our scope. We pulled the siding off the wall first, so we can tie the fiberglass in properly at the transition before the siding goes back on. And then we laid down AC plywood as the substrate across the full field. All the edges were done before the field. That means the posts were wrapped, the drip edge was set, and the wall was tied in. So everything the field glass needs to connect is already set in place. So the fiberglass goes down the entire field and it gets saturated with the same resin as the edges. So once the field is fully saturated, we wait around 24 to 48 hours to then come back, sand, and apply gel coat over the entire surface. So now the homeowner has a space that they can actually use underneath, rain or shine, because the deck above it is completely sealed.